Good morning, students. Today I am going to discuss about the reaction of aldehyde and ketones with ammonia derivatives and PCl5 and SOCl2. But in case of ammonia, the reaction are specific. Different compounds react differently with aldehyde and ketones, like with formaldehyde. Formaldehyde with ammonia gives hexamine, with that is a commercial name, or hexamethylene tetramine. If you would like to draw the structure of this hexamethylene tetramine, hexamethylene tetramine, then write the nitrogen in this manner and connect them through CH2. Now the two valencies are satisfied for each nitrogen, but the valency of nitrogen is 3. Then interlink through CH2. Now this is the structure of this compound. And the structure is said to be urotropin structure, and commercially also hexamine or urotropin. It is used as urinary antiseptic and acts as a buffer in complex somatic titrations. And its trinitro derivative is used as RDX. The full form of RDX is research and development exposed. But acetaldehyde reacts differently. H is attached with oxygen and N is attached with carbon. Acetaldehyde, ammonia, but this is a common one. In IPCN, 1 amino ethane 1 ol or ethanol. And in case of acetone, 2 acetone molecules are condensed together. Diacetonamide. In IP system, ketones takes priority. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 4 amino, 4 methyl, pentane, 2 amino. In this way, the reaction of ammonia takes place with aldehyde and ketones. With PCl5, both the oxygens are replaced by 2 chlorines. In case of aldehyde, we get gem dihalide, and cations we also get gem dihalides. In case of aldehyde, the chlorines are at the terminal position, and in case of ketone, they are at the middle position. And if we add KOHCOs and NOHCOs, you will get back aldehyde, you will get ketones. Now ammonia derivative, one of the hydrogen replaced by any group, and there oxygen and water are lost, and you will get this compound. Addition of ammonia derivatives, and this is again nucleophilic addition, and followed by loss of water. Loss of water. And this G may be OH, NH2, another part, and here is NO2. NHC double bond NH2, NHC double bond NH2. For example, this is aldehyde and G is taken as OH. So this compound is hydroxylamide. OH2, what is lost? You will get oxime group. So for aldehyde it is aldoxan, and for ketone it is ketone. The aldehyde and ketone may be cyclic or acyclic. Large number of questions are in your book in NCERT. Similarly, if G is NH2, this is hydrogen. When there is loss of water, you will get hydrazone, aldo or keto. And one of the hydrogens replaced by Another hydrogen replaced by phenyl group. This becomes phenyl hydrogen. Again OH2 is lost. You will get phenyl hydrogen, phenyl hydrazone. Aldehyde और ये कीटो। अब क्या चेंज आया? अब क्या चेंज आया कि सेकेंड एंड फोर्थ पोजीशन पे नाइट्रो ग्रुप पे लग गए। 2,4 डाइनाइट्रो फिनाइल हाइड्रोजन। फिनाइल हाइड्रोजन के आगे क्या है? 2,4 डाइनाइट्रो, and there you will get hydrazone. But this compound is yellow colored solid or yellow solid, or you will get in solution. That depends on the solvent and the nature of the compound. This is ketone. Now, when NHC double bond NH2, this is called a semicarbazide. Semicarbazide changes to semicarbazone. But in all this reaction, the reaction takes place in a controlled pH range. In all these reactions, the reaction takes place in a controlled pH range. Can we carry out this reaction in acidic medium? No. Strong acidic medium? No. In strong acidic medium, the reaction cannot be carried out. The reason is ammonia derivative accept proton and form ammonium salt, which cannot act as nucleophile. So it is not possible to carry out the reaction in strong acidic medium. Can we carry out the reaction in strong basic medium? No. In basic medium, aldehyde and ketone participate either in condensation or Cannes oxidation. बजाय कि वो अमोनिया डेरिवेटिव रिएक्ट करने के they react with their base and participate in condensation or Cannes reaction. And due to this reason, the reaction carried out in slightly acidic, neither in a strong acidic medium nor in a strong basic medium. You carry out in a slightly acidic medium. Another question is semicarbazide or thiosemicarbazide. This is semicarbazide. And in case of thiosemicarbazide, there is sulfur. Thiosemicarbazide हो जाएगा. Semicarbazide, thiosemicarbazide. Either semicarbazide or thiazide, there are two NH2 group. But this is involved in condensation with ammonia, not this one. Why? There are two NH2 group. One NH2 group attached to C double bond O, another is attached to NH. But NH2 attached to NH is involved in condensation with aldehyde ketones, not NH2 attached to C double bond O, C double bond S. Why? Because the NH2 attached to C double bond O involved in resonance, and as a result, this carries partial positive charge. Hence, this cannot act as a nucleophile. Another resonating structure is if this lone pair is node in resonance, तब क्या हो सकता है? NH2 NH CO negative NH2 मीन्स इसमें पॉजिटिव चार्ज आ सकता है, इसमें पॉजिटिव चार्ज आ सकता है, लेकिन NH2 अटैच टू NH के ऊपर पॉजिटिव चार्ज नहीं आ सकता। हमेशा ये लोन पेयर हमेशा कैपेसिटी रखेगा, यानी कि हमेशा न्यूक्लियोफाइल का काम करेगा। यही कारण है कि हमेशा NH2 attached to NH is involved in condension, not NH2 attached to C double bond O. Even NH cannot participate in condensation. दोनों के केस में सिमिलर रीजन, उनके केस में पॉजिटिव चार्ज आने के चांसेस हैं और इसलिए न्यूक्लियोफाइल का काम नहीं कर पाएगा। तो नेक्स्ट टाइम हम डिस्कस करेंगे व्हाट इज कंडेंसेशन रिएक्शन और कैनिज़ारोस रिएक्शन, वो नेक्स्ट टाइम करेंगे। आज अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा होगा तो लाइक करेंगे, शेयर करेंगे।